Everyone, how are you doing? So today Awareness for Happiness wants to share with you a fun choreography that you can do at home, by yourself, with your family, or with your children, with the intention to reduce the levels of stress, depression, or anxiety that can be caused due to the coronavirus, social distancing, or isolation. So this choreography has been created by Luis Cervantes, that you can find more of his choreographies on TikTok. Before I start, I would like to share 3 advice with you. First one, take care of yourself. Okay, so warm up, cool down before doing exercise. You don't want to hurt yourself. Listen to your body. Second, drink water, take breaks. Second advice is try to do the steps little by little, slowly, and then you can do faster, slowly and well done, and then you're going to challenge your brain and your body, and you'll be able to memorize it and do it faster. uh, Third advice, uh, remember that each one of you guys have your own pace, your own style. For this, you need a lot of perseverance. For dancing, learning choreographies, you need patience and practice, practice, and practice. So let's get started. As you can see here, I have this, so you can recognize that this is my left leg. Okay, so we put the hand here and the left hand in the head, and we jump to the opposite side. 1, 2. Then we're going to jump with the left leg. This was hard for me to learn it, but then I got it. With the left leg, you do that, but at the same time you open and close. Okay, so ta ta. Then you're going to jump again with this left leg, but forward, and you're going to touch this. Ta ta. And you do this arm like that. Ta ta. So we do it a little faster. Ta 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 ta. Then it comes now the easier part. You touch your chest, open, hands on your legs, one side, other side, hands up, left hip, right hip, close legs, send a kiss. You're going to pretend you're going to wake up. Do 1, 2, 3. Left hand, right hand, left hand, right hand. Sexy hip, right hip, close legs, close arms, left, right, little circle, and that's it. So that's all of the choreography. You're going to like it when you start doing it faster and faster. It will be super fun. So I wish you good luck, and share with your friends if you want to work out at home having some fun. See you guys. Bye.